Why did not carry and go Makurdi?
That is the issue now.
How long will it be?
And it's since yesterday night.
It's okay.
Yesterday night, I'm from Tarka local government, and from Tiortyo. Yesterday night, I go market. As I come back, Fulani come attack me for load. Then therefore, me I day one, 4 of them, they hold gun. Then as they try to shoot me, they no fit. Because 4 of them, they cover me, they middle. Then as I can't try, escape for their hand, I start to run. First bullet, they shoot me for here. The second one, they shoot me into stomach. As they shoot me, I know for now from there, I start learning come for my house.
Well, may the souls of the departed rest in peace. It is very, very unfortunate, and this is what impunity can result to. Since 2016, I've been crying, I've been lamenting, I've been making appeals, I've been doing everything possible as a law-abiding governor that the federal government should rise up to its responsibility, because the primary responsibility of any responsible government is to protect lives and property. It is unfortunate that this government of APC at the federal level is adamant. They are not concerned. You will not hear the president condemn or talk about what is happening in our state. Just yesterday in Tarka local government where you went, you're talking about 12 people and 1 additional person died today in the hospital. Several people are in hospitals in Gboko and in Makurdi here, where I directed them to go and get treatment. Now, in Guma local government, 14 people were also killed the same yesterday by this Fulani so-called herdsmen. But it's not about herdsmen. It's about occupation. It's about taking over the land and dominating and sending every other person away. Every day my IDP camps are swearing up because of various attacks. Those people who attempted to go back to do their farm work or to erect their new buildings after those houses were burnt down. Some were lucky to come back. Some have been killed. So this is the challenge we have, that the whole country today is being handed over to the so-called bandits, which are Fulani men. Everybody knows. And today, as the governor of Benue State, and as a child of God, the blood of my people who are innocent, who have not committed any crime, we go after those Fulani people with their accomplice, all those people who know their mission and are doing it. God will definitely avenge the blood of those people who are innocent and have been killed. This is not right. It is really unfortunate. And I want to appeal to all other good Fulani men to talk to their brother, the president of this country, to stop this evil that is going on. Otherwise, we are heading to anarchy. Because if our people too decide, as the case is being dragged to now to take arms against these Fulani people, it means there will be no control anywhere. But gradually we have been pushed, and it will appear to me that is the only resort. Because even when you try to be law-abiding, you're killed. So the people are now telling me that it's better for them not to be law-abiding. They cannot continue in this manner. And so they are ready to face the bullets of anyone. When you have cutlasses, when you have dengon, you are arrested. But when you have AK-47 and you're a Fulani man, you're untouchable. This is not right. I know that it's happening in other places, but it is not correct. Why should we open our borders to Chad, to Niger, to Mauritania, to Libya, to Niger, for Fulanis to come in and take over Nigeria to be their land? I suspect that very soon some states will be taken over by these Fulani men called bandits. I suspect that very soon the presidential villa will be handed over to them. This is a plan. Nobody should deceive me. I am more than 60 years. Nobody should deceive me that it's just bandits are just coming here and making this thing. It is a plan to hand over to these bad Fulani men who are called bandits so that there will be no election. This federal government, not that it is insensitive, is working towards an agenda that they have planned to Fulanize this country and take over. It's not even about Islam. They are using religion as a shield to Fulanize. And this is not right. Everybody should have the right to live and live his life with his custom. So I'm very, very unhappy with what is going on. It is a sad movement for us. Within one day, more than 20 people killed. This is not right. I'll continue to say it. But I have told my people, defend yourselves. If you need help from me, I'm ready to give you that help to defend yourself. We're no longer going to keep quiet or fold our arms again to allow these people to continue to kill us in this manner. Who are still alive, I have directed that all those who died, more than 20 people who died, should be buried immediately. No ceremony whatsoever. But those people who were wounded and shot, I have directed that all of them should be brought to the Benue State University Teaching Hospital, and government will foot all the bill.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.